Okay, we're recording. Let's do it, Dad.
Alright, no other way to do this than to just jump right in.
Hunter!
Woohoo! Woohoo!
Look, Michael! That guy's cool. I'm gonna jump!
Woo!
Tell me when to go!
Okay.
Thank you! Come here, buddy!
Oh!
Don't splash him.
He's like a little beaver.
He's just gonna swim down the river and he'll get it out when he's ready. Come here, Bubba.
Oh! You need to get wet.
Come on.
I am wet, man. Your chest.
Here's the ground.
Feels all sweet ground. It's not floating! I took a video.
I bet he's loving this.
I just made the water. Oh, now my chest is wet. Whoa! And he just comes. I'm just gonna float down the river, okay?
Okay.
You can see his tail floats. His tail's like a little tube.
It's like a boat motor thing.
Yeah. Motorboat. So you can go down the river.
Hey guys, here's the sandbar right here.
Alright, it's coming.
The edge of the fast and the slow right here, and the fast right there is right here.
Okay. Whoa. It's getting me. Whoa.
What's the matter, Hunter? Is it cold?
No, I just went down a little slope.
Right there, Hunter.
Oh my gosh, I can't take it.
Michael, right here, it's shallow.
Oh,
What'd he say?
oh,
Oh, my balls.
Oh.
oh.